What's up everybody? I'm here to teach you how to do the pendulum swing with the steel club. Now what you want to try and think about is like when you're swinging a golf club. Now the weight will stay out in front of you, but what I want to talk about before we get into the actual movement is the stagnation in the lower half that I want. This is supposed to be an abdominal movement, so you should be feeling it in your abs and in your core. So in order to feel it in that, we need to separate out the rotation between your shoulders and your hips. So just like with any of the other exercises that we like to teach you guys, make sure you pull the ground apart and keep your hips in the same spot. When you're setting up, you want to hinge over just like you're doing a deadlift, where the club is about 2 to 3 inches out in front of your leg. Notice I have a nice flat spine and I'm not rounding at the back. From the front view, your goal is to rotate the arms and the shoulders as far as you can until the point where your arms are about to bend. As soon as your arms are about to bend, that means you've overextended your rotational capability through your torso. So, that was in slow motion, so once you start going a little bit quicker with your movement, it's not super fast, but it's very, very controlled. We're just keeping tension in those abs as we swing that club back and forth. And that is the